You like racing?
Yeah.
For real? That's player. That's player. I'm ready to see what kind of motor you got, a 5.0?
10 speed.
Oh, you got a 10 speed? Oh, she might know something, y'all. You got a power adder too?
What?
Power adder, any nitrous, turbo, supercharger, straight motor?
I just got the truck like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, she just got the truck 2 weeks ago. Somebody said she said she got the truth on it. She got the proof. She got the proof. She said no cameras either. Y'all want to go look at her, go on her Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. Let me see. Well, good luck. I hope everything. I'm going to be up there. You can catch the live. We got the live feed on the Lookout Racing YouTube channel. When you get on there, you speak Spanish? Yeah, I tell them, dale me gusta. Suscríbete. Lookout Racing in YouTube. Yeah. Gracias. I got my Spanish working, y'all. Buscanos en carreras. Aquí, güey. Hey, what's up? This is my number one Mexican partner right here, boy. He been teaching me Spanish for years. That's the real scrapper. Where? Who I like out of which one? This one versus this truck. Man, that truck running like that. Damn. Where to go, y'all? Man, I'm gonna have to ask my homeboy, man. I don't know. I've been with you, whichever one you been, cause you sneaky. I know you. I've been knowing you too long. I know better. I'm gonna get up there. Oh, damn, he was running a while ago. But he was just stock running. He wasn't like running like. He wasn't scrapper running. Hey, I think that truck. Yeah. Yeah, I think the truck. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that truck. Hey, tell her, hey, suscríbete, Lookout Racing in YouTube. Dale me gusta. Mira, ándale. You gotta get on there now. I'm on live.
It's in Mexico.
Oh, you in Mexico?
Yeah, I'm in Mexico.
Hey, they got internet down there. Dale, me gusta. Suscríbete. Lookout Racing. Buscanos en carreras. Aquí. We here.
Yeah, they look over there too.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to get everybody to subscribe. Tell everybody in Mexico. How you say tell everybody?
Dile que se suscriban en México.
Dile who?
Que se suscriban.
Que se suscriban? Oh, man. Que se suscriban? Man, you gotta say it one more time. Que se suscriban?
Que se suscriban todos en México.
Que se suscriban todos que es Mexico. Yeah. Tell everybody, the whole Mexico, all the way out there in Mexico City, the ones in what's that everybody, Cancun, tell them out there, what's that, what's that other place they be at, man, they be at the Zacatecas. Make sure you get my Zacatecas. I know them down there. Oh, you on, it's too hot over there?
Yeah, it's from Aguascalientes.
It's too hot.
The city, esa no, the city is Aguascalientes.
Oh, the city always caliente, it's always hot?
Yeah.
Like the police be hot or the sun? Which one? Which hot?
It's close to Zacatecas.
Oh, it's close to Zacatecas. Yeah,
Yeah.
tell all them down there in Acapulco. They be over there in Acapulco too? Yeah, tell all them. What's that word, Miss Coffee? This is something, I done forgot it. But yeah, man. Agua. Is that how? Oh, Aguas Calientes.
Yeah.
Oh no, she's Aguas Calientes. That's the name of the town. Oh yeah, Aguas Calientes. Yeah, my homeboy's sister over there. Tell them, all of them. I'll need all of every Mexican, Hispanic, all of whatever, senoritas, tias, all of them. Tell Thea and Theo, all of them. I need you, Thea, all of them watching. Tell them. Subscribe out there, look out racing. Underlay, I don't know. That's all I know. Vamonos, let's go. We need to speed it up. Get this. Dale. I need that like right now. I want a snack, man. What kind of? I want some chocolate chip cookies. Oh, I've been wanting some chocolate chip cookies. Hey, man, you got some chocolate chip cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah, boy. Oh, you do?
Yes, sir.
I like them intakes, boy. All right, y'all. Sound like the last 2 trucks that went down through there. We got everybody in the building. We got Beaner Performance in the building, y'all. Let me see y'all tune.
Oh man, well, shit, we waiting for this shit to load.
Hey, y'all might be the one. Y'all ain't neither one of y'all invested in no Holly yet.
I got some.
You had to update yours to V6.
I haven't done it yet.
Man,
My cars are down. Shit.
my shit down because I can't get it back up. I updated the computer and the ECU, and then when I got to the screen, I couldn't update the screen. So now I'm stuck.
Why not?
I extracted the files, but it act like it ain't extracting the right correct files. I'ma try again. You gonna make a full pass?
What?
You gonna make a full pass?
Yeah.
You got that intake? Okay, good. You on my YouTube channel?
I'm not.
That's it right there.
I'm trying to find someone to race right now.
You trying to find somebody? You want me? What about that Mustang coming up?
If he wants to.
Let me see what he want to do, man. Is that track at 8th mile? Yeah. Hey, who you racing? Oh, you already run? All right. Hey, he already got a race. We got running boys in the building. Trill Larry in the building, y'all. We got my partner in here watching from jail, y'all. I'm gonna quit claiming him, my partner. I got a subscriber watching from jail. I can't be associated.